All right, back home. Ran to Tennessee and Ohio to do shows. I was supposed to be at Zany's tonight, but as you can see, we're in the middle of a blizz. We're getting blizzed up out here. It's supposed to be like a foot of snow, so Zany's closed. And me and Tristan and Katie drove through a blizzard last night to get home. Well, I drove through it and they slept. But hey, it was their car, so if I wrecked, who cares? It was fun though. Had this guy named Spence at Cascade Brewery in Bristol, Tennessee hit me up. And I've met him a few times, and he wanted to bring me out there, paid me a good chunk of money, put me up, treated me good, bought me beers, and it was a great time. A lot of good people on the show. Tristan, Katie, they crushed it. It was great. We had so much fun, and Bristol's a fun town. We went and played pool, then went to the casino, unfortunately, and so it was not a profitable trip overall, but it was a lot of fun.
Bristol, it's a cool place. How do the cops work here? Like, does one, like a Tennessee cop drive on this side of the road and a Virginia cop, like, can a Virginia cop arrest a Tennessee person? No. Or are you like, I'm drinking, I'm running, bitch? Like, Virginia's right there! Hell yeah. All right, if you guys see me running later, like, you know what's up. I'm gonna be like, get the fuck out of here! That's about as far as I want to run across the street. That's as far as I can go before I get arrested. Yeah. You guys have cake? You guys are like sitting awake. Garage beer. Garage door, garage beer, we're having fun. How you doing, sir? You look like the only Jewish man in Bristol. Are you Jewish? No, you look like an old man. Like your old little brother. I wanted to, believe it or not, I wanted to be you when I was 7. And then I saw pussy. I was like, oh my god, there's more! Thanks for coming. Yeah, that's right. Are you a cop? You gotta tell me, brother, because I can beat you in a foot race to Virginia.
Me and Carter hung out there one night. Where's a pirate's favorite place to drink? A bar.
How's it going, Matt?
Good.
Good.
I think he does come to see me do comedy, and he loves it when I tell that joke. He was sitting front and center one night, and I was just like, oh, mommy, he loves mommy's dick sucking dogs. So I was like, yes, mommy swallows, and he was like, oh. And I was like, there's a reason you're not biological, son. He hasn't been back to one of my shows since, so I don't know if that's right. You gotta keep it over, Tristan.
All right, let's do a post-game interview real quick. Let's walk away. Away from all the homosexuals.
Actually, get that video up so I can see something later.
All right, so show at Cascade in Bristol, Tennessee. How'd that go?
Good, brother.
Dude.
A lot of fun.
Had a good
Packed it
time.
out. Feel like it went pretty good. I had a couple big old riffs. Now we're drinking beers.
Drinking beers. And yeah, monthly free drinks the whole night. That's what happens whenever you kill.
Yeah.
Corbin LeMaster over here.
Seemed pretty happy with it.
Yeah, no, it was good. I feel like I worked on some new jokes that were doing pretty decent.
Everybody did good.
Everyone's
Katie
writing
did
new
good.
jokes. Everyone's doing new jokes that are working.
Mm-hmm.
Got a fun little.
I gotta agree with that.
Yeah, I mean, not mine. I'll be honest, I hate myself. Anyways, dude, this is a great start, great first night to the whole trip.
Hell yeah, Blizz coming. Got a
Yeah.
Blizz coming.
Blizz all up, Blizzulation.
He's like, I've never been so insulted yet fucking happy about it.
All right, everybody. Bristol, Tennessee. Everyone, take your penises out.
Cascade Brewery.
All right. Hey, cheers. Wow.
I'm being Rolling
Hey, Corbin LeMaster, Bristol, Tennessee. Let's go.
She on her friend was the state line, which we're gonna pass that to. Yeah.
We would rather be there than.
Yeah, brother.
I love the ball.
All right.
I want to play blackjack.
I want to play blackjack.
I want to play blackjack.
You got it.
All right, you ready?
Let's do it.
You'll have to put $10 more up if you want to play your hand, but it's after you look at your cards. All right, are we ready?
We're doing it.
Let's do it. All right. 1 second. All right, whenever you're ready.
Oh, what a horrible hand.
Is that?
It is. You gotta have queen high to qualify for all that.
No, you don't have to qualify this.
Cool.
This one. These are always qualified. Playing? Alright, let's see what we got. Alright. So
Okay, I
far,
beat that. So if I
nothing-
beat that, it's good.
Nothing on the board so far.
I
Alright.
can't beat a queen.
Well, if your queen's not
That don't
there,
matter?
No.
Hell yeah.
I think you won.
This is the hand that I'm playing. This right here. Ace of clubs.
Oh, hell yeah, that's a great hand.
Good job.
Oh my God, it's so close to the straight blood. I mean, that was stupid for me to say.
Nothing on that, but got the other one.
This seems like a fancy way.
Oh, they're taking our money.
Like, is it
It's
just
all
normal
coming.
blackjack?
Yeah.
Hi guys! Hey, Ricky's make some noise! I meant to do that. This was Columbus, Ohio. It's not like we were in Miami, you know. They all have fun names. They all have fun stripper names. And they asked me, they were like,
Are
hey,
you willing and able to help? And it's like an unspoken rule that we all just look at each other and lie and say, yes, we will. 100%, yeah. You guys know you can lie? I've not been on many planes that went down in the Pacific, but I'm like, all right, that's my time. I gotta get out of here, you know? Right after I finish, I'm like, well, you've been a lot of fun. You're gonna love this next guy, so Ricky's Comedy Club, again, thank you enough. Thank you so much. You're gonna enjoy the rest of your show. Get it going for anyone.
give it up for Kyle, everybody! That guy is so funny. Okay, so, how are you guys feeling? You guys feeling good? Okay, we're gonna keep this fun train like choo-choo rolling. It's time to bring up your featured act of the night. He's coming all the way from Austin, Texas. So please make it as loud as you can for Corbin LeMaster.
Hell yeah. Miami Bird. Yep. That's how I feel too. No, this place is cool. Seems like a great place.
Crazy.
Ah! Everyone say what they think about Corbin.
Oh God, he likes being here.
I exist.
I think he's an asshole. All right, guys. Yeah, hell yeah. Bristol, Tennessee, Cascade. Woo!
Then went and featured Bricky's Comedy Club in Ohio, Miamisburg, Ohio, which is like a suburb of Dayton. And yeah, the weather was coming in, so I didn't get to hang out there really, but had a pretty good set. It's a small little room and it's a lot of fun. But yeah, then booked it back home. Didn't get to do Zany's, which was gonna be like the highlight of the trip. But oh well, we got a blizz going on. We got people feeding their birds. It's yeah, blizzard weather. But anyways, this weekend, I think I'm in Oklahoma City with a magician named Andy Gross. I don't know, hopefully he makes a crowd up here. Yeah, then the weekend after that's Super Bowl, I think. So, all right, thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.